The GW scope lets you see exactly what's happening inside hard-to-reach areas of a vehicle without any disassembly. Whether you're inspecting an engine cylinder, a brake line, or a tight cavity, this tool gives you a clear visual in seconds. Let's go over how to get it set up and running. This is a GW scope, and I will show you what it is made of. There is a 4.92-foot-long cable with a Type-C port that can be connected to your tablet. And this is the most important component, the scope itself. It has 6 heat-proof LEDs. On the handlebar, there are 2 buttons, one for lighting level adjusting, and the other is for picture taking, connected with a Type-C female port on the tablet. Then we can enter more. There is the endoscope app. The GEARWRENCH diagnostic tablet comes pre-installed with the Borescope software. The user only needs to install any available updates. Now we can have a look of its brightness level. There are 4 levels. This level is no extra lighting from the LED. Then we press it is a highest level of brightness. Lower, least, off. 4 levels in total. And we could press the other button to take a picture. Have you noticed that? Now let's check the real condition of this car. This is the way it's in the very bright environment. No extra light tank needed. Then, when we get into it, we need to switch to the lighting. If it is too bright, we can lower it. The least brightness, off. Highest brightness. With the GW scope, you can now inspect areas that were previously impossible to see without taking the vehicle apart. It's a simple tool that saves you time, reduces unnecessary disassembly, and helps you make a more accurate diagnosis every time.